In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Google Chrome bookmarks. By the end, you'll have a single backup file with all your bookmarks that you can store safely or move to another browser or device. This is perfect for switching computers, setting up a new profile, or just keeping a clean backup. First, open Google Chrome. Make sure you're in the profile that actually contains the bookmarks you want to export. If you use multiple profiles, check the profile avatar at the top right to confirm you're in the correct one. Next, click the three dots at the top right corner of the browser window. This opens Chrome's main menu. From there, hover your mouse over Bookmarks. On some versions, you may see it labeled as Bookmarks and Lists. Don't click yet, just hover to reveal the submenu. In that submenu, click Open Bookmark Manager. This takes you to a dedicated page that shows all your bookmark folders and items. Tip: if you like shortcuts, you can also open this page with Ctrl+Shift+O on Windows or Command+Option+B on a Mac, but the menu path works the same. Inside the Bookmark Manager, look for another set of three dots near the top right of the page. Click those to open the Manager's Actions menu. From this menu, choose Export Bookmarks. This tells Chrome to package your entire bookmarks collection into one file. A Save dialog will appear. Choose a location you'll remember, like the desktop or your Documents folder. This file will be in HTML format, which is widely supported by most browsers for importing later. If you keep backups in cloud storage or an external drive, select that folder now. Before you save, feel free to rename the file to something clear and dated, something like Chrome Bookmarks Backup HTML. Clear names make it much easier to find the right file later. Keep the .html extension as is, since that's what other browsers expect when importing. Finally, click Save. Chrome creates the file in the location you chose. To quickly verify it worked, you can open the file in any browser, and you'll see a simple page listing all your folders and bookmarks as clickable links. That confirms the export captured everything. A few closing tips. Exporting bookmarks doesn't remove them from Chrome, and it doesn't affect sync. It simply creates a copy. If you're on a work or school device, you might need permission to save to certain locations. And remember, this export includes bookmark names, folders, and links, not browsing history or passwords. That's it. Your bookmarks are safely exported and ready to use wherever you need them.